up, Kiwis, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to make the viral Turkish pasta that went viral all over TikTok. Now, I will say I did do a few things differently than the original recipe, but all of the measurements and ingredients will be in the description box down below, so you guys can go check it out. And if you guys haven't already, please go ahead and click that subscribe button, turn on your notifications, and you can also find me on TikTok. So as you guys can see here, I'm starting off by dicing up my medium-sized onion. You're going to want to try to finely chop your onions just like this, and then I'll show you guys what to do next. Next up, we're going to go ahead and drizzle some olive oil in our pan. I have my heat on about medium heat, and I'm going to go ahead and add those onions in and then go ahead and saute them. Next up, we're going to go ahead and add our ground beef, and then as you guys can see here, I will be seasoning it and showing you guys all the seasonings that I used. I typically like to start off with a little bit of salt and then add more as I go, so you guys can also feel free to do that as well. Plenty so far just to make your money. But my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby. I want enjoy, I want job life, I want buy motor, I want build house, I still want to know. You tell me what's it go? You want go? All depend. They can say ride the boat, I know be life or nothing. What's it go? You want go? All depend. They can ride the boat. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. In a one night for shows, I'm juggling. Flow like the ocean, port, I'm paddling. Now that we've added our seasonings, we can go in with our tomato paste and then once again give it a nice mix. If you become a be head of state. For my people then go say I know one buy, I know one die, I know one baby, I want. While that's continuing to cook, I'm gonna make the pasta. So I have a large pot here with some boiling water. I'm adding some salt into that water and then going in with my bow tie pasta here. And then we're gonna add that pasta into our pot and cook it until it's al dente. Okay, so back to the meat. I went ahead and drained some of the grease and then added a little bit more salt. And then I turned off the heat and closed it. Make sure y'all don't overcook your meat and set it aside. Now we can make our paprika butter. So I just have some butter in my pot and then I'm gonna drizzle in some paprika as well. And then once that is well combined, you can also go ahead and turn off the heat as well. Next up, we're gonna prepare our Greek yogurt. So in my bowl here, I have some Greek yogurt and then I'm gonna drizzle a little bit of some fresh lemon juice. And then along with that, I will also be adding some freshly minced garlic as well. And then we're gonna give that a nice good mix and go ahead and set it aside. To finish up preparing this dish, I went ahead and rinsed off some fresh grape tomatoes and some parsley, chopped it all up, and then I also have my Greek yogurt on the side as well. So to assemble our dish, we have our pasta that I went ahead and drained and put in my bowl. We're gonna add the Greek yogurt mixture along with our meat mixture on top. And then we're also gonna go in with our paprika butter, just a nice drizzle on top. And then after that, we can add our tomatoes and fresh parsley to garnish. And there it is, you guys. This is our homemade Turkish pasta that once again went viral all over TikTok. This pasta was super delicious. I highly recommend that you guys try out this recipe. It's super fresh, it's super fulfilling, and it's super easy to make as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And once again, if you liked it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.